Looking for gadgets that actually make life in the kitchen easier? From cooking to cleaning to organizing, these Amazon finds are designed to save time and add convenience to your daily routine. Each product is practical, stylish, and built to solve everyday problems we all face in the kitchen. Whether you're a home chef or just want to keep things simple, these picks are worth checking out. Let's dive into the best kitchen gadgets worth buying right now. Tired of cold lunches? This 20-ounce portable electric lunchbox keeps meals warm and ready wherever life takes you. Designed in a stylish moonshine green finish with a spill-proof lid, it's both elegant and practical. The easy carry handle, detachable cord, and dishwasher-safe container make it simple to use and clean. Trusted by the Crock-Pot brand, it's also a perfect gift for busy professionals, students, or travelers. Hate spending time chopping fruits before juicing? This cold-pressed juicer comes with a 5.4-inch wide feed chute that easily fits whole fruits and vegetables for faster, simpler prep. Its 350-watt motor and upgraded spiral auger ensure efficient juicing while preserving nutrients with slow 50 RPM masticating technology. The double-layer fine filter reduces pulp and prevents clogging, while detachable parts make cleaning effortless. Built for durability and packed with features, it's the perfect upgrade for anyone serious about fresh, nutrient-rich juice. Still struggling with towels slipping off regular hooks? These innovative towel holders from Heffa use a smart silicone grip system that locks towels in place without causing damage. With flexible installation options, self-adhesive tape for smooth surfaces, or screws for heavier use, they fit any kitchen or bathroom setup. The premium chrome-plated design adds an elegant touch, while the colorful options make them a stylish and practical choice. Gift-ready and built to last, they're a simple upgrade that makes everyday organization effortless. Tired of food going cold before everyone's ready to eat? This 24 by 16-inch warming mat offers 7 adjustable temperature settings, keeping meals warm for up to 99 hours without losing flavor. Made from safe nano-silicone, it heats evenly, works with metal, ceramic, glass, or enamel, and wipes clean with ease. With built-in child lock and auto shut-off safety features, it's perfect for everyday meals, family gatherings, and special celebrations alike. Still making a sticky mess when serving honey? This elegant glass honey dispenser features a timeless honeycomb-inspired design with a wide mouth opening for easy scooping and pouring. With a generous 9-ounce capacity and 2 durable wooden dippers included, it keeps honey fresh and always within reach. Durable, stylish, and practical, it's a kitchen essential that looks as good as it works. Love thin, perfect crepes but hate the hassle of cooking them? This 11-inch ceramic crepe pan is non-toxic, free of harmful chemicals, and designed with a heat-resistant handle for safe, easy use. Its cast aluminum body delivers even heating while requiring less oil, making cleanup quick and effortless. Compatible with all stovetops, it's the ideal upgrade for crepes, pancakes, tortillas, and more. Tired of clogged sinks and messy cleanups? This upgraded 3-in-1 kitchen sink strainer works as a drain strainer, stopper, and odor isolator, all in one. Its pop-up button lets you easily switch between storing water and draining while catching food scraps to prevent blockages. Made with premium stainless steel, brass, and a durable PP basket, it's easy to install, easy to clean, and built to last. Is your spice cabinet a cluttered mess? This complete set of 48 clear glass spice jars comes with airtight lids, shaker options, and 703 easy-to-read labels for flawless organization. The included silicone funnel makes refilling simple and mess-free, while pre-printed and blank labels keep everything neatly arranged. Durable, practical, and stylish, it's the ultimate solution for keeping spices fresh and your kitchen organized. Want to slice, grate, and spiralize like a pro? This Mandoline Slicer comes with 6 interchangeable blades for everything from zoodles to garnishes, plus a catch tray that keeps prep mess-free. It's compact, dishwasher-safe, and even includes a cleaning tool for quick, easy cleanup. With razor-sharp stainless steel blades, a safety glove, and a non-slip base, it's a versatile kitchen essential built for speed and safety. Running out of counter space for dishes? This 2-tier dish drying rack provides plenty of room for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, all in a sturdy, rust-resistant design. The auto-draining board with a 360-degree swivel spout directs water straight into the sink, keeping countertops dry and clean. Easy to assemble without tools, it's a practical upgrade that makes kitchen cleanup effortless and organized. Still cluttering drawers with sharp knives? This double-sided magnetic knife block uses powerful neodymium magnets to hold blades securely while keeping them sharp and easy to access. Crafted from durable acacia wood with a smooth, easy-to-clean finish, it adds natural elegance to any kitchen. With a stable anti-skid base and no installation needed, it's a safe, stylish, and practical way to store knives. Tired of constantly refilling small spice grinders? This electric salt and pepper grinder set holds up to 4.5 ounces with a wide 1.8-inch opening, making refills quick and effortless. With just a simple twist from the top, you can keep your favorite spices ready without the mess. Sleek, efficient, and designed for convenience, it's a must-have upgrade for any modern kitchen.